Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to win Candy Crush. To start, always prioritize clearing blockers like chocolate and licorice swirls. Making matches at the bottom of the board is a smart move, as it creates more cascades and new candies. Before you even make your first move, take a moment to understand the specific objective of the level. This will guide your strategy and help you achieve your goals more efficiently. Special candies are your best friends in Candy Crush. Combining two striped candies creates a powerful cross-clear, removing an entire row and column. Even better, a color bomb and striped candy combination will clear all candies of the same color as the striped candy. Wrapped candies are also fantastic, exploding in a 3x3 square, clearing 9 candies around them. Master these to clear boards faster. Strategic play is key to conquering challenging levels. Always look for opportunities to create special candies with every single move you make. Don't just react, try to plan several moves ahead, setting up those powerful combinations. Prioritize moves that clear multiple obstacles or directly contribute to your level goals. Thinking a few steps ahead can make all the difference in your game. For advanced play, remember to use your boosters strategically on those truly difficult levels. Don't waste them on easy ones. Pay close attention to clearing candies in corners and along the edges, as these areas can be tricky to match. And here's a pro tip. If your first few moves don't set you up for success, don't hesitate to restart the level. Sometimes a fresh start is exactly what you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.